Hello everyone, Josh here, or the Hammond Caver, and I'm here standing outside this gorgeous entrance to Porter Cave. One of the nicest entrances in any cave in Indiana. And today, we're going to be exploring with this light. Brought to me by the fine folks at Outdoor Equipment Experts on their OdePro line. This is called the NT21 flashlight. It's a 1200 lumen. Anodized aluminum, has a magnet charging port, powered by an 18650 3000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. And in today's video, we're taking this light into this cave to show you how it works. We're going to start the light review on low. Now, you may not be able to see, it's a very narrow beam. You can see on that far wall over there. That wall is probably about 20 feet away. There is an active stream. So in the camera, you might not be able to see this beam, but it actually throws pretty far. I would say it terminates at about 50 feet. So we're going to press and hold, and we're going to go to our next light level. Alright, so there's medium. As you can see, we're near the ceiling too, but it's a very harsh center focused spot, but still a very nice overall light, and there's the stream there flowing. So anyway, that is the medium setting. We're going to go ahead and press and hold again. Alright, and there is our 1200 lumen output. This is our turbo, and it shines very, very far. You may or may not be able to see this, but I can shine it all the way down the passageway, and it starts, you can kind of see the contour of the ceiling a little bit, and it actually goes pretty far. I would say almost 100 feet maybe. This light beam will actually shine further than that, but of course limestone. Alright, so here we are in another cave. This is Donahue Cave, and we're still with our OdePro NT21 light. And as you can see, I have supplemental lighting as well, but I've been using this light for a while now, and I'm actually really impressed with the quality of construction. You can see I've set it inside this little rimstone pool. Now this light can go way deeper than that, but it just shows that this light will function underwater in a cave environment. It works perfectly fine. There's no open ports or anything like that, so nothing to worry about. Alright, we hope you enjoyed this review. If you did like this review of the NT21, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And check out our other videos on the Hammond Caver channel. We'd be happy to have you as a subscriber. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.